So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add cryptocurrency to your tax-free savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. So if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'm just going to go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. If you use this referral link right here, it's also down below in the description. Both of us get $25 when you open and fund an account. So that's pretty neat there. But regardless, once you're here, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Now don't press on crypto. That's not the way you want to do this, because by pressing on crypto right here, it'll bring you to the Wealthsimple crypto account, but you can actually add individual cryptocurrencies to your TFSA. So a workaround that is the ETF route. So go to the search bar here, go to the ETFs, whatever you want. So for example, if you're looking to buy XRP, you can type in XRP and find a crypto with XRP. Or if you want to go Bitcoin, for example, I can go IBIT as an example, and this is a Bitcoin ETF. As you guys can tell, there's Ethereum as well, right here, right? Ethereum. You can go, this one, ETHO.B. So we'll use this one as an example. Now, if you want to continue to buy, go to the bottom left. So you have your crypto selected, go to the bottom left, and you can press your TFSA right here, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. So once that is done, you can select the amount of shares. So if I wanted to buy one share, or if I want to do a fractional buy of $1, you can go ahead and do the same thing and press on review. Now there are other options. Like I said, there's different ETFs that have different things. So for example, if you wanted to go and maybe buy an all-in-one ETF that has a bunch of different cryptocurrencies, we can go ahead and type in ETC right here. Which is the Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETFs. This is kind of an all-in-one, for example. Once again, press on TFSA, press on buy, type in the amount if I wanted to do a $1 fractional buy. All is good right here, and if all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on Q order, or press on buy, and proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy cryptocurrency inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.